Let me be frank and speak freely. You know, I sit in this room and with all the intelligence of everyone that sits here, I still don't think that this part of the world understand and grasp the importance of what that side of the world, being us in the Caribbean, is talking about when it concerns the democratic deficit. I listened to the intelligence of the researchers, and there are so many proposals, the 3 proposals that you came up with. But with all due respect, they mean nothing if we don't tackle the statute. It is the foundation of the argument that we on this side of the world continue to make concerning the democratic deficit. When you look at the Faroe Islands in Denmark with the 2 seats, their constitution was changed to allow those 2 seats. When you look at Guadeloupe and Martinique, the French government changed their constitution to incorporate the different departments in their colonies. Here we are in 2022. From 1954 to 2022, the islands, we are screaming, we are bawling, we are yearning for this side of the world to understand that something is wrong. And I have to agree with my colleague Raymond. Those proposals are far-fetched. As a matter of fact, it seems to be impossible. You know, there was a famous singer that lived in the Netherlands, Nina Simone, and she said, when you don't feel love at the table anymore, you have to get up and leave. I am not feeling the love that this side of the world understands when we talk about the democratic deficit and how we are the islands are being punished because we are so-called countries in a kingdom.